All right, so we here at the outlet mall in Destin, Florida. This is a real tourist location, so I'm not sure what we'll be able to find, what we'll be able to get. Destin is one of those locations that's kind of got popular over the years. They got clear water, they got white sandy beaches. I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of that today too. All right, so all of these are 30% off. And one shoe, remember I showed y'all these go crazy on eBay. So what's the ticketed price? 75, they got it down to 50. So it look like in the big sizes, this one might be decent. Pair of Air Force One highs caught my attention. 120 though, I don't know. Back in my day, those were hard. Curious about this shoe too. Shoes like this always have some sort. These, no, not much profit on them, but usually like white shoes like this do go up. These are interesting.
Are you ready?
Ooh. So these are actually skaters. These are actually skating. Okay. The value on these is weird though. Now, this is usually the wall where they got the good stuff, but there's no good stuff here. And this is also to debunk those, oh, these are sitting at the outlet. When you come to the outlet, there's nothing, bro. Bro, they have chewed this down, but that's probably what's gonna happen when you're in a tourist location. Here, let's type these in. DD. 2314 dash 002. So those don't appear to have much value either. And actually only one of those sold. All right, so as you can see, there is not much profit in these type of outlets, or if there is, you got to catch them on the days where they just now loading stock. So this is just a video I wanted to create just to kind of dispel. I know we see the, oh, there's X amount of profit, or oh, these are sitting at the outlet. If they are, they're gonna be in cities like Chicago, New York, LA. Wait, big in them up. Oh shit! All right, so I always tell y'all about getting y'all finish line points too. So I'm about to go in here and buy something. I don't care if it's as small as a pair of socks, but we just got to get our points back rolling. We got to be actively spending with finish line. How you doing, bro? Oh, they got a little something in here. A little something. Yes, sir. Hey, drop me a comment if you want them cherries. Those aren't the cherries. Those are a mixture of the 8s.
A mixture?
Yeah. Yeah, nah.
Do I got those?
No, sir. We're gonna search this SKU up real quick. So you know what? At a 120 retail, I can tell you right now, these got some value. Oh yeah, you can get a little bit above retail for those. So we're getting him a pair of Pandas in a 3. All right, so we did a pair of Pandas just to get our points up, and now we are back good on finish line. So we should get EA on the next big release. So Rico gang, I love y'all. Let's get it.